The socks printer is an innovative device specially designed for printing patterns on socks. The sock printer has various functions and features. In terms of pattern printing, it can realize the output of various complex patterns, from simple lines to exquisite cartoons, art paintings, and personal photos. It has good color matching ability and can accurately restore the color of the color C. The workflow is simple and uncomplicated. First, design the pattern on the computer. Use professional software to make and adjust it. Then transfer the data to the printer via USB interface or network connection. Then set the printing parameters on the printer, place the socks and fix them, and start. Sock printers are widely used and have many advantages. In sock manufacturing companies, they can increase the added value of socks and meet personalized needs. They are suitable for mass production and can also meet customized needs. Compared with traditional printing, they have high printing efficacy.